Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. This is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Mark Golding, or the leader for the opposition, said the new Attorney General must give answer to the Jamaican people them and sit down and talk in a parliament. The Ministry for Health said them a remind people say if them have mild flu-like symptoms, they must stand at them yard, watch themselves and try not give people. Carrie Douglas, or the councillor for the Jamaica Labour Party, get longer time for stay her yard till March 4 when she go before the St. Andrew Parish Court yesterday morning. The West Indies lose by 5 wickets to Ireland through the Duckworth-Lewis method after rainfall in them second one-day international match we keep at Sabina Park yesterday. Now for the full tour of them. Mark Golding, or the leader for the opposition, said the new Attorney General must give answer to the Jamaican people them and sit down and talk in a parliament. Prime Minister Andrew Holness give one-time contractor General Derek McCoy the work as new Attorney General Tuesday. Him take over from Marlene Malahoo Fort, who are now the Minister for Legal and Constitutional Affairs. Mr. Golding said no rights to the new Attorney General now answer to the Jamaican people them in a parliament, and the government must stop go against the rights of the people them in the country. The Ministry for Health said them a remind people say if them have mild flu-like symptoms, they must stand at them yard, watch themselves and try not give people. The Health Ministry put out something so if people's symptoms get worse or go longer than 3 days, them for go one private doctor, one health center or the parish health department. On top of that, them say people must do one COVID-19 test where them can do private or public in the healthcare system. The St. James Police put the mother of one 9-year-old boy who get killed in a one robbery yesterday in a protective custody where the police are go watch her. The little boy who did sick get fined in the back of his mother van with him throat cut. The van get fined on one road in a Fairfield, St. James. According to the police report, the mother for the little boy get beat up and dragged out her van by some man. The man them thief the van and drive away. The mother reporter go on to the police and them find the van with her son dead in there. Carrie Douglas, or the councillor for the Jamaica Labour Party, get longer time for stay her yard till March 4 when she go before the St. Andrew Parish Court yesterday morning. Miss Douglas get charged with beat smaddy and for tap the police from do them work in a Swallowfield, St. Andrew. According to the police report, on February 26 last year, them did answer some reports that people gather in the community after the nightly curfew. Them say Miss Douglas use her vehicle and block the police from lock up nobody. The police are looking at one double murder we go on yesterday morning pan Olympic Way in an Olympic Garden, St. Andrew. The dead man them are 48-year-old Wayne Smith and 44-year-old Marlon Maduri. The two of them come from Olympic Gardens. According to the police report, Smith did a walk pan Olympic Way around 9:30 in the morning when gunman run him down and shot him up. Mr. Maduri, who did a pass the same time, get shot too. The two men dead at hospital. Now for sports. The West Indies lose by 5 wickets to Ireland through the Duckworth-Lewis method after rainfall in them second one-day international match we keep at Sabina Park yesterday. The series they are 1-1 now. The West Indies bat first and make 229 runs in a 48 overs. Ireland did reach 157 and lose 4 wickets when rain stopped the game. Them get one target of 168 runs with 36 overs. Them reach 168 for 5 with 32.2 overs. People, remember the curfew from 10 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.